Hi there everybody, and welcome back to AVA's Adventures in AVA's Toys and Learning. And today we're going to be playing with the Sport Toy Sports Series bowling set. I'm really excited to open this. Okay. So we have two balls. I think these are the bowling balls, and there's faces on them. And the bowling pins are already falling out. Here we go. So we've got some instructions, and we'll keep the box just off to the side. And let's go ahead and count all the pins because there's numbers on them. So let's start with number 1. So this is bowling pin number 1. Let's try to find number 2. Ah, here we are. Bowling pin number 2. Ah, here we go. Bowling pin number 3. And the next number that's after 3 is 4. And that's bowling pin number 4. Let's see here. What's after 4? I believe it's 5. This is bowling pin number 5. And then after 5, we have 6. Bowling pin number 7. Bowling pin number 8. Bowling pin number 9, and finally, bowling pin number 10. And that's what comes inside the box. Let's go ahead and set these up to play some bowling. All right, now that we're all set up, we should give a ball a roll and see how many pins we can knock down. You ready to try? Okay, here goes my first roll. Whoa! I got a strike. I knocked down all of the pins. Good job on my first try. Maybe let's set the pins up and try it again. Alright, now all the pins are set up again, so let's try. Alrighty, this is my second try at bowling. Let's see how well we can do. Whoa, almost! I almost got them all. Why don't we count and see how many we got? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 pins we knocked down. There's only 1, 2, and 3 remaining. Let's see if we can get a spare and knock those down too. All right, let's try and get the spare. Ready? Oh, wow, we did it. We got the remaining 1, 2, and 3 pins. Now they're all knocked down. Amazing. Good job. We call that in bowling a spare. Now let's set the pins up in order, starting with number 1. And then next is number 2. Then number 3. Then number 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, number 9, and then after 9 comes number 10. Amazing. And how many balls do we have? We have 1, 2 balls.
Hello.
Let's go ahead and try to knock these down one last time before we put all of our toys away. Alrighty, I have 2 opportunities to try and knock them down. Let's see if we can do it. Oh man, that wasn't a very great roll. We only knocked down 1 pin. Let's go ahead and try that again with our last ball. This is our last shot. Let's hope we can try to get that spare. Oh, almost. There's only 1, 2 remaining. So let's see how many we knocked down in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins total that we knocked down. And there's only 2 standing. Well, we tried our best, and I think that was a lot of fun. let's go ahead and put all of the toys back into the box, so that way the next time that we want to play some bowling, it's all going to be there. All right, all the pins are inside. Now let's just put the balls away. So we have this one ball here. And the last ball here. Awesome. Wow, that was so much fun. And that was the Sport Toy Bowling set. Now thank you so much for joining us today on AVA's Toys and Learning and AVA's Adventures. We hope to see you next time for some more toys. See you later for now. Bye.